Good day. In today's video about the Mercedes W123, I will show you how to remove or replace your headlight. In order to start, we will open the bonnet and remove the indicator. Now that this is done, I will continue and tell you as well the difference that we will have between the Euro headlight and the American one, which is a bit different. At the same time, I would like to tell you that if you would like to help me with this channel, if you would like to apport something, you can do so. Just look at the description of the video, there's a link, and you can give whatever you feel like, and this will help me buying parts, etc., and continue with the videos. Okay, so now let me tell you a bit the difference between the US and the Euro one, and then we'll dismantle everything. So this is obviously European headlight, and in order to remove them now, we're gonna remove those two screws here and two on the side, and it should be able to come off. Then we remove the vacuum and the electric part. If you have American headlights, it's gonna be a bit different because the glass will have to be removed first and then the screws. Okay, so in order to remove the glass, behind it you will see some little knobs like this. I'm not too sure. I believe you need to remove two, and then you will be able to remove the entire glass. And then once the glass is removed, you will see, maybe you can see it on the video, there's a little hole here. Basically that's where you remove the screw. There's another one there, and you remove four, and it's coming off basically the same way. So that's the difference. So if you want to change your headlights for European or European for US, there's no problem, because you got the hole fitted there. So you basically just move the clip there, and that's it. You change the whole thing. Okay, so let's continue now with the dismantling. So what we'll do, before to remove all that, we will unclip at the back the vacuum lines and the electricity. When you have removed all the screws, simply pull the headlight, and that will be it. You will have it. Okay, so now I've checked that one a little bit, and I can see there's a bit of resin, so it seems like that the headlight had better days. I'm not too sure why. Maybe that car's had accident before. I'm not certain. Okay, but anyway, I wanted to tell you, come back a bit more about the European and American market. Okay, that's what I was telling you about before. You see those two holes that we've got here? This is for the American market. Okay, so if you want to change from American to European or European to American, no worries. You simply take those supports and you move them there, or vice versa. End of story. You can swap them very easily. Now, when you want to put back the headlight, well, it's very easy. Same thing, but in reverse. But just be careful to one thing. On the side of the headlight, there's a little pin, okay, and this one fits here in the bodywork. So make sure you fit this first, then the screws, and then the rest. Okay, if not, it won't be fitted properly. That's it. I hope that you have liked the video. If you've got any comments, or if you would like to see a video that I can do, of course, don't hesitate to place it in the comments, and I'll do it if I can. Okay, until then, take care of yourself. Ciao.